everyone, welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo, and in today's video I'm going to talk about our feet. How do we take care of our feet? So for this we have got VLCC Natural Sciences Pediglow Foot Care Kit, which has a foot cleanser, foot scrub, foot cream and foot spray. It is priced at 550 rupees, but if you buy in most of the websites you will get it at much lesser price. I got it I think for 350 or something. Now our feet go through a lot. It walks, it stands, it takes the entire weight of our body, it takes pollution, and due to this our feet needs a lot of protection. It needs a lot of care. So for this let us start with the DIY regime of taking pedicure at home. So I'll give you a demo and a review of this particular product today. So please continue to watch this video, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video. This is what the packaging looks like. You get 4 products inside it. At the back of it you get the nut contain and the contains, that is the cleanser, scrub, cream and the spray. The methods of use, the price of it and the expiry date of the product is written at the back of it. To begin with, you need to ensure that your nails look well groomed. Start with removing your old nail polish or any stains with a gentle nail paint remover. Trim and shape your nails neatly as per your preferences. Now the first step of this pedicure is Pediglow Foot Cleanser. Now we have to take a bucket full of lukewarm water, and into it we have to add 4 teaspoons of Pediglow Foot Cleanser. Now 4 teaspoons are enough for half a bucket to soak the feet. Check the water if the heat consistency is fine with you, whether you can bear it or not, and soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while soaking my feet for 15 to 20 minutes, I took a pedicure tool which has a metal side, pumice side, sand side and a brush for 4 different uses. That is, it removes the dead skin, it scrubs the dead skin, it smoothens the skin and it removes the dirt as well. Now let's talk about the Pediglow Foot Cleanser. This has contains which is soapnut, daruhaldi, then shikakai, dalchini, lemongrass oil, margosa and sles. That means this deep cleanser with soapnut and margosa removes pollutants from the pores and softens thick tissues. It also fights foot infections and harmful germs. It has a citrus kind of smell. It softens your feet and heels too. It lathers mildly, and I love all the ingredients. Like walnut shell powder, lemongrass oil, fenugreek, glycerine and other things, which is actually good for foot scrubbing. The scrub lathers and it has a fresh soapy smell. It is great for scrubbing, and if you have cracked heels, it is great to ensure that you get soft heels as well. And what I like about this particular product is it has a cover inside too that protects the product from drying. I just love all the ingredients. Now just wash your feet with some warm water and then wipe it off with a hot towel. Now after using this scrub, you can see a visible difference in my feet yourself. Step number 3 is Pediglow Foot Cream with cocoa butter and neem. Now this is an ultra softening cream with cocoa butter and neem, and is a complete reviver made of select herbs like neem extracts, then cocoa butter, glycerine, beeswax and other herbs that nourishes your feet. Now apply generously all over your feet and massage well into your cuticles for about 10 minutes. Now what I like about this cream is it absorbs fast. It's very soft water-based cream. It is great for cuticle softening and it has a pleasant smell. I like the packaging too. There is a cover inside this packaging that protects the product from drying, and I love all the ingredients that is present inside this particular product. After 10 minutes of massaging, you just leave your feet as it is and see how soft it feels. The fourth step is Pediglow Foot Spray with lemongrass and patchouli oil. Odorless feet now come with this spray. Patchouli and lemongrass oil cast a fresh smell, and castor's antiseptic properties keep foot diseases at bay. This contains patchouli oil, lemongrass oil, castors, menthol and glycerine. Spray all over your feet and feel the freshness that gets you tickling. It is a well-known fact that the well-groomed feet can make one feel a lot more confident. I think this is a must-have foot care kit. Packaging is really nice. The quality of all the 4 products is amazing, and it is cheaper than parlor pedicure sittings. So now it's time to decorate your nails and make them look pretty. Paint them a color of your choice and jazz your feet up with a pretty anklet or toe rings. Flaunt your healthy, nourished and crack-free worthy feet to show off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. I've given all the details of the product in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.